Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are tackling a common challenge faced by many businesses, that is integrating Odoo with Power BI without relying on third-party costly connectors. If you are using Odoo and want to visualize your data in a Power BI with the help of Python script, then this video is for you. So in this video, I will replace costly connectors with our Python script. So before we get started with the integration, let's take a brief look at what Odoo and Power BI are and why integrating these two powerful tools can be a game changer for your business. So Odoo is a comprehensive suite for business application that includes CRM, accounting, inventory management, project management, and much more. It's an open source ERP solution that helps businesses streamline their operations and improve efficiency. Power BI, on the other hand, is a business analytics tool by Microsoft that enables you to visualize your data and share insights across your organization. It connects to hundreds of data sources, simplifying data preparation and driving ad hoc analysis. Integrating Odoo with Power BI allows you to bring together your operational data and visualize it in a way that helps you make informed decisions quickly. Now let's get into the integration process. So here we'll define a problem statement. So what's a problem statement? So there are three main hosting platforms for Odoo: Odoo on-premise, Odoo online, and Odoo SH. To access Odoo data in Power BI, we need a remote connection. However, Odoo Online and Odoo SH are cloud-hosted solutions that do not grant direct external access to the database, making the integration process more challenging. Many businesses resort to third-party connectors to bridge this gap, but these connectors can be quite expensive, guys. It might cost you around $2,000. But don't worry, I'll show you how to eliminate the need for expensive Odoo to Power BI connectors and still achieve seamless integration by using a Python script. You can effectively connect your Odoo data with Power BI no matter which hosting platform you use: Odoo on-premise, Odoo online, and Odoo SH. To make this work, you will need some things to be installed on the PC. First one is Python. Python needs to be installed. So from Python official website, you can download. Any version will work for this method. Second thing would be XML-RPC client library for Python. So just search what I'm searching, click on the link, you'll go to the pip website, we just copy, and in the command prompt paste. As you can see, XML-RPC library is already installed on my PC. So when you will install, it will look like what's shown in the PC right now. Third thing you will need is a Pandas library. So you can download Pandas from the same website. Copy, open command prompt, paste, and enter. So as you can see, Pandas is already installed in my PC. And last thing you'll need these parameters where Odoo URL, database name, username and password. As I am using demo database of the Odoo, so I got my parameters from here. Let's get to the coding part of this video. I'm using VS Code. You can use any ID. I am referring this Odoo documentation for external API. You can also refer to this document. So first I'll import the required libraries. Client. Now we'll import Pandas. Next, we will copy the parameters we have. This parameter are required to authenticate to the Odoo client API, Odoo URL, database name, username and password. If you are using Odoo, you will know from where to get these all parameters. Next, we'll define the Odoo model. Odoo model is something similar to the table, we can say. So here we'll mention the table name or Odoo model name which we want to fetch. I am writing account dot analytical dot line. When this code will complete, we'll see the records of this particular table or Odoo model. Next thing, we'll need this common endpoint. So we'll copy this from here. Then we'll create UID to authenticate. This UID will need to authenticate. Will replace by dp name, username, password. This authenticate method is called on the common object to authenticate the user. Okay, it takes the database name, username, password, and empty dictionary of parameters, returning the user ID. Next, we'll define models, which is an XML-RPC proxy object for interacting with Odoo's model object. To make this video shorter, I'll copy entire code and will explain by line by line. Next, we retrieved metadata about the fields of our specified model. This included information such as field names, their labels, and data types. This helped us understand what kind of data we were working with. From the retrieved metadata, we extracted the field names and their data types. This was important because we needed to handle different data types correctly when processing our data. Next, we searched for all the record IDs in the specified model. This step returned a list of IDs for all the records in the account analytical line model. Using the list of record IDs, we read all the records from the model. We specified the field we wanted to retrieve, which we got from the metadata earlier. Now we converted these records into Pandas data frame. So this line of code will be useful for to ensure our data frame had the correct data types. We iterated through each field and its data type. We converted fields to integers, floats, or date time as needed. And finally, we printed the data frame to see the results. So let's run the code now. You can see we got the data of the model account analytic line. Since we got the data, now I'll show you how to get that data in Power BI. So let's copy this whole code. Let's go to Power BI and we'll go to get data, more. We'll search here for Python script. We'll get the interface where we can paste a Python script, copy and paste your Python script. Click on OK. Now let's see what happens. So as our Python script work here, it will work over here as well. So you can see now we got the data. And let's click on transform data. So you can see guys, whole data is now displayed with the correct data types. So in this tutorial, I have shown you how to integrate Odoo with Power BI using a Python script. Now let's take a step further by setting up automatic scheduled refresh in part 2. So wait for my part 2. I'll release it soon. This will ensure that our data is always up to date without requiring manual intervention. I will upload my Python script to the GitHub account mentioned in the description. Please download and feel free to use. And congrats guys, you have saved a lot of penny which would have wasted without this Python script. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you.